The final fantasy class ship is Carnival Paradise. In this video, you'll learn about the delicious food you can find on Carnival Paradise. We'll also tell you about some of the awesome bars. I've also handpicked some activities that I don't think you'll want to miss. And I have a couple tips to help you make your Carnival Paradise cruise even more awesome. Stay tuned and we'll tell you how you can get a digital download of our Carnival Paradise ship guide. Let's start with the food, starting with Guy's Burger Joint, a lunch option that's included in the price of your fare. You can go there and get a burger designed by famed chef Guy Fieri. Check out my favorite, the Ringer. It's a cheeseburger with barbecue sauce and an onion ring. They have all sorts of burgers to choose from, and of course delicious fries. You can even get a plain Jane and take it over to the toppings bar and add all the toppings you want. There's also Blue Iguana Cantina, also included in the price of your fare. You can go there for lunch and get a taco salad made just the way you want it, or a burrito or taco made with a tortilla that they made right on the ship. Tell them what ingredients you want, have that made up just the way you like it, head over to the salsa bar and add some heat. What a great option. They also have breakfast. Blue Iguana breakfast includes breakfast burritos, delicious huevos rancheros. If you haven't had that before, it's a delicious option for breakfast that even has an egg on top. They also have arepas, delicious cornbread and cheese. Be sure to check out Blue Iguana Cantina. Also included in the price of your fare is meals in the main dining rooms and at the Lido Buffet. The Lido Buffet has delicious comfort food like chicken, fish, pasta, and of course the delicious desserts. Another option that won't cost you any extra is Pizza Pirate. Pizza made to order 24 hours a day. If you're hungry for pizza, there's nowhere better to go than Pizza Pirate. There's also Carnival Deli. Included in the price of your fare, you can get delicious sandwiches and wraps, hot or cold, like the delicious Reuben, BLT, or the Southwest chicken wrap. For something extra special, reserve a spot at the chef's table. It'll cost you a little extra, but you'll get food that is as amazing to look at as it is delicious to eat. Personally prepared just for you by a Carnival Cruise chef. For the kids, there's the green eggs and ham breakfast. For a modest extra charge, you can have breakfast with a cat in the hat. You can finally try green eggs and ham and decide if you do or do not like green eggs and ham. They also have other options like the gravity-defying pancakes, lots of whimsical dishes, and a chance to hang out with the cat and hat and friends. If you're enjoying this video, please like it. Give us a thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon down below. Now let's talk about the bars, starting with the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar. Blue Iguana Tequila Bar is right next to the pool, and it's a great spot to go get a margarita like their ultimate margarita, or Blues Dos Equis Michelada, and they even have beer buckets. Buckets filled with beers. You can just sit there and enjoy the weather out by the pool. Also by the pool is the Red Frog Rum Bar. They've got Carnival exclusive Thirsty Frog beers, Red's Rum Treasure, and frozen drinks like the delicious Mango Magic. In the evening, head to Punchliner Comedy Club. Have a drink or two while you enjoy a set from a professional stand-up comedian. There's no cover charge and no drink minimum. Check the schedule. Some shows are a little more PG, some shows are a little more PG-13. There's also the American Piano Bar. You can enjoy a cocktail and enjoy the fun while piano entertainers lead sing-alongs late into the night. What a great way to end the day. Let's talk about some other activities, starting with Playlist Productions. Playlist Productions has energetic musical shows with professional dancers and singers. They'll have you up on your feet. Playlist Productions. If you want to take your chance on Lady Luck, head to the Majestic Casino. They have slot and table games, and with the Carnival Players Club, you can get drinks while you play, inner tournaments, and all kinds of other fun at the Majestic Casino. For a different kind of game, head out and play mini golf. You can enjoy the sea air as you play mini golf on the top deck of the ship. There's also Carnival Waterworks. You can fly down the water slide and the kids can splash around and get drenched at the Carnival Waterworks. For the adults, there's Serenity Adult Only Retreat. stunning wake views from upgraded lounge chairs. Relax and enjoy serenity at the back of that ride. And now it's time for a couple tips, starting with Spa Carnival. Pamper yourself, splurge on a massage or aromatherapy, facials, so much more at Spa Carnival. It's an experience at sea that you won't forget. Another tip, for the kids, there's Build-A-Bear Workshop. Kids can customize their own bears and take them home as a very special souvenir. Check out the Hub app to see the dates and times for Build-A-Bear Workshop. Another tip, check out Cherry on Top. It's a candy shop on the Carnival Paradise. You can visit while on board and find some delicious treats, including some that you won't find anywhere else. You can also pre-order treats using your cruise planner before your cruise, and the treats will be waiting in your room when you get on board. One last tip, be sure to download our Carnival Paradise digital download ship guide. It tells you what's on board, where to find things, what costs extra, and we're even including a Carnival Paradise bar crawl. Fun way for you to enjoy the different bars on board with your friends. The download is linked down below. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, it's just a way to follow us so you don't miss our future videos or our live show. Our live show has guests, interviews, all kinds of interesting cruise content and tips. Thanks for watching.